I'm trying to start my Craftsman m230 and it will not start. It worked fine last summer. I changed the spark plug and filter and checked the oil. Drained the old gas and replaced it with new gas. It does sound like it's getting any gas. What else can I check?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Craftsman tool or machine? How old is it?
Just a year old.
What have you tried so far with your Craftsman?
I changed the spark plug and filter, changed the gas, checked the oil.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
That's all I know.
Hello. My name is I have been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see that you have drained the old fuel and still can't get it to start. Did you also drain the stale fuel from the carburetor? Okay. You will need to open up the carburetor and blow out the main jets.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.